Hi guys, Shayden the Beauty Advisor at Priceline, West Brunswick. Just wanted to share with you another one of our services we offer here. So the one I'm going to explain today is the Priceline lashes. Now this one is a 15-minute application. So the lashes need to be purchased here. If the lashes aren't purchased here, it'll come with a $10 fee. So it's 15 minutes, and what will happen is I'll get you to sit on the chair. I'll apply some mascara just to blend the lashes in with the falsies. I will measure the eyelashes up against your natural lash line, trim them if need be. If not, we'll just apply them straight away. Now this one is good because it's a really quick process. So if you're going out on a Saturday night and you don't know how to stick your own falsies on, or you don't want to stuff up your eyeshadow or anything like that, just pop straight down, quick 15 minutes, and I'll stick them on for you and make sure that you're happy with everything before you leave. I also like to sometimes apply a little bit of liner just to blend them in properly if they are lashes with a band. If you come in and you don't know which one is going to suit your look properly, I'm happy to go through a few different choices, whether it's a natural, a wispy, or a glam, to suit your needs for that night. So yeah, 15 minutes, $10, lashes bought from here, and I'll be happy to help.